I recently turned 25, and these are 25 of the most important lessons that I've learned along the way. 1. Surround yourself with people that prioritize their values over their impulse feelings. 2. Read one book per month. Each book can be worth a lifetime of experiences, mistakes, and lessons. Imagine how much you will grow if you add a lifetime of experiences to your life every month. 3. Go to the cinemas alone. Go to a theme park alone. You'll come out a whole new person once you learn how to not just be comfortable alone, but to really enjoy it. 4. Don't take things personally. How others act and how much of themselves they are able to give is often a reflection of what's going on in their own life and mind, and it often has nothing to do with you. 5. It's not about how long you've known someone, it's about how deeply you know and connect with them. You can know someone for a decade without really knowing them. 6. Not everyone deserves to know everything about you. 7. Trust is the most important thing in any kind of partnership, relationship, or friendship. 8. Communication is a close second. So many issues are caused by lack of or miscommunication. Most things can be solved easily by truly listening and having empathy for the other side. 9. You do not have to be constantly making art to be an artist, but it helps. 10. The loudest and most confident guy in the room is often not the smartest or most successful. Those are usually the quiet ones because they don't need to prove themselves. 11. Most people are just winging it, and that's okay. Let that give you the confidence to actually go for it. 12. Sometimes you will grow apart from people you were once so close with, and that's okay. Don't keep trying to hold on to something that is no longer there. 13. Other times, people that you haven't seen for ages can feel like it's only been a day because you can instantly connect again like nothing ever changed. 14. Hiding your accomplishments and talent will keep you from so many opportunities, and just because you were too hesitant to let your light shine. 15. You will enjoy life far more once you stop having expectations and instead take life as it comes, whether that's birthdays, special dates, experiences, or people. 16. Age does not equate to maturity or experience. Status does not equate to intelligence or respectability, and the number of friends or connections does not equate to the level of love, compassion, or understanding. 17. Don't wait for other people to have fun. Make your own plans, and then you'll find people want to join you. 18. Most people, if not all, are only in your life temporarily. That doesn't mean the memories or experiences you have with them are any less special. 19. The people that state their opinion as fact are the most unreliable. 20. People that talk behind someone else's back will likely talk behind your back too. 21. If someone doesn't love themselves, they will not be able to properly love someone else. As they say, you can't pour from an empty cup. 22. We're all a work in progress, but being a work in progress doesn't make someone any less worthy of love. 23. You are not responsible for other people's happiness. 24. Always be kind, but don't let people disrespect you or your time. And 25, be kind to yourself. When making decisions in difficult times, think of what your younger self would be proud of and what your future self would thank you for.